Yaaka Digital Network. In this video, we are going to see how to create an account on Yaka and also how to subscribe for your courses and how to access them as a student. So you go to the home page of Yaka. I type Yaaka Digital Network in my browser. After typing Yaaka Digital Network, it will take me to the home page. So I've searched Yaka, I click the first option, then it takes me to the home page of Yaaka Digital Network. So you read through what Yaka does. This is Yaaka Digital Network, access every course, every subject. So from here, top right, there is login. I click on login and then I create one. I need to create an account. If I had an account already, I can sign in immediately. So I create an account. So I'm going to create a new account. Here is the registration form. So my username, I can say my username is Benny256. I put my email address. That is my email address. I put my password. Your password should be stronger, and a stronger password is a mixture of capital letters, small letters, numbers, and symbols. Then we need to answer. Please answer this. So 2 times 3, that is 6. Then here I can put my names. I put the country where I'm from. I'm a male. I put my birthday date. So once that is done, I select the level which I want to study. I've chosen primary. Here I can put my telephone number. This one is optional, you can leave it out. Then I agree with terms and conditions. I'm not a robot. Then I complete sign up. Okay. So there my account has been created. So I can even check in my email to see if I have a notification from Yaaka Digital Network for me to activate my account. So when you look at your Gmail, you should be able to receive a notification from Yaaka Digital Network. So I click on it. So from here, I can now complete the registration process by clicking on the activation key. So I click on the activation link. So from there, I say activate my account. So after activating your account, you will be able to log into your account. So there, my account is loading. So here is my account, and you can see the account by default is coming with those free courses. So these courses have been made free for learners to revise. So these are made free. So for example, if I want to revise science, PLE, I say start course, I continue course. So you can see there are instructions here. I close them, and then from here, I'm able to start the quizzes. So I start quiz. When I say start quizzes, all the questions will display and I should be able to start answering. So here I start typing. mm, I put answers everywhere, and when everything is done, I will submit quiz, and submit quiz is here. That's how you will as well read other courses that you will subscribe for. So when you can see these ones are mock resources, and they are the only ones which are free.